NBC 15 weather with Chief Meteorologist Thomas Gieboy.
Good evening, Gulf Coast. Happy Thursday or happy Friday Eve. Here's a live look outside Beau Rivage Tower camera looking towards downtown Mobile. This is the wide view as we take a look towards downtown, and everything tonight is nice and quiet, and that's just how we like it. Temperatures this afternoon well into the 90s once again, felt even hotter than that thanks to our high humidity. Dew point temperature still at 75, so the humidity still sitting at 85%, still feeling steamy, but at least the temperature is currently sitting at 80. As we move through tonight, temperatures will eventually be falling back into the 70s for our overnight lows, mainly mid to upper 70s, which is actually just a little bit above where we should be for this time of year. If you're right at the beach, that overnight low tonight only coming in around 80 degrees, but that's very similar compared to what we've seen so far this week. Even after starting off with temperatures in the 70s, by 8 o'clock in the morning, temperatures already back into the low 80s. Temperatures climbing quickly, should be around 90 degrees by your lunch hour, slight 20% chance that an isolated shower or storm finds you. And then by the heart of the afternoon, we'll be looking at about a 1 in 3 chance, with that best chance for areas along and north of I-10, with daytime highs that are going to top out in the low to mid 90s. So everyone ranging basically anywhere between 90 and 95. But when you add on the humidity, heat index values once again will likely range between 100 and 107. Should be, though, a great day if you want to head on down to the beach. I mentioned beforehand that best chance of wet weather will favor areas along and north of I-10. So if you're at the beach, it's only a 1 in 5, 20% chance an isolated shower or storm finds you. Winds will be out of the southwest 5 miles per hour, surf height 1 to 2 feet. And you'll likely see yellow flags flying along our beaches, while the extreme UV index, that remains. So make sure that you pack the sunscreen if you're heading on down to the beach. Let's go ahead and start the forecast tracker. 7 o'clock in the morning, and you might have missed it right there, but if we do see any showers first thing in the morning, it is going to favor our coastal areas. As we move into the afternoon, as we get the sea breeze starting to lift north, that best chance along and north of I-10, but even if you're down towards the beach, a stray shower can't be ruled out. As we move into our Friday evening, the chance of wet weather will go down with the loss of the daytime heating. Then we're basically going to do it all over again on Saturday. However, by Saturday, moisture levels will start to increase. So I am anticipating rain coverage increasing from there. So that rain chance right around 50%. But like our Friday, best chance will be along and north of I-10. Going into Sunday, though, we'll see increasing moisture and increasing energy as our next weather maker moves in. And by 6 o'clock in the evening, you can see a good coverage across the NBC 15 area, and we'll likely see even more going into our Monday. Let's talk about the mechanics of why that's happening. So high pressure is in the process of fizzling out. There's still plenty of moisture in place, and that's going to allow for that 50-50 rain chance on Saturday. Then going into Sunday into Monday, we have a surface front that's going to be driven by this upper level low pressure. That's going to work its way down, and you can see that swath of moisture across the northern Gulf Coast. And as we go between Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, each day will bring better than a 50-50 rain chance. Best chance likely comes on Monday, and then by the middle of next week, that system starts to pull away, and we'll go back to normal summertime by the middle and second half of next week. But as that system moves in, heavy rain potential will exist across the northern Gulf Coast, so the highest rain totals will likely favor our coastal areas. In general, several inches of rain plus will be a possibility, but we'll fine-tune these totals as we get a little bit closer. The good news is there will be some relief from the heat. And you'll see it all here on our 7-day tracker, where as we go for our Friday and Saturday, fairly normal summertime, just a little bit higher rain coverage on Saturday, then unsettled through the first part of next week, daytime highs dialing back to the 80s, then we're right back to normal summertime Wednesday and Thursday.